Hello. Good afternoon, guys. My name is Alexandra, creator and founder of the Stress to Our Lifestyle. In this video, you will learn the top questions I've been asked about the 10S system. I will answer most of the questions I've been asked, and also exactly what you will need to know before you sign up for the 10X system. Get started. And if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can so you can get me more views and so I can create more videos for you guys. First of all, what is the tenant system? The tenant system is like I told you before, is a reseller program which allow you to make 100% commission over and over, without having like to bother your friends and family like for to buy your product or deal with shipping and all that type of stuff. Once you get your system, you get a duplicate website that you share with others or run traffic to. Get access to our exclusive group where we share our result and upload it with each other, and the opportunity to make money on automation. And the top questions I've been asked, first of all, I've been asked, is the M&M opportunity? No, it's not an M&M opportunity. It's just like, once you get your own system, you purchase your system for the 297, you get your own duplicate website, and with that website, you become a reseller. And every time somebody purchases, you just get the 100% commission. It's not like you have people under you, like building a team and nothing like that. That's not what it is. And also, I've been also asked, do I have to promote it to my page, my friends, family, in order to make money? No, you don't have to promote it on your page or bother people to make money. But promoting on your social media and is optional. But if you order traffic, one of the traffic package that won't be necessary. That's the reason we call it passive income. Once you order your traffic package, you just sit back, relax, and wait for your sales to come through whenever somebody pay to get their own system. And also, I've been asked, is there any extra fees with this opportunity? After you purchase your own reseller program, you get your own link. When you're ready to purchase, you need to subscribe to the 1999 hosting fee. That's the every month. So that's the fee that's gonna keep your website working, because any website that you have, like, you will have to get hosting. A lot of company charge even more than that to get your website host to get it to work. But uh, because KV got access to a hosting company, so she only charges 19.99 to get the website working. If you don't keep up with the hosting fee, let's say your month is up and your debit card don't work or your bank account information don't work to get um the fee, your website will stop working. So that's the reason every month, like, make sure you're updated, your card is working, or there's enough funds to cover the 19.99. And also, I've been asked how much are the traffic packages. Right now we have three packages which range from 60, 110, and 200. The $60 will get you put in the rotator one time. The 110 get you put in the rotator two time, and the 200 get you put in the rotator four time. And there used to be another one like that get you a three time, but she changed it. So the $60 you get put one time, and the 110 you get put two time, and the 200 get put four time. And the traffic package that when you order it is good for 60 days, and you not they will comment that you don't purchase any additional packages until your 60 days is over. After your 60 days, you'll be receiving analytics to know exactly how your website did, how many people click on your link, how many people actually purchase. You'll get like a report of everything that happened to your site. And also, how does the traffic work? Because a lot of people have been asking me, okay, when I order the $200 package, exactly what's going on? Let's say I ordered the $200 package, how does it work? Because if you know about like advertising, like let's say Facebook ad, Google ads, and everything, it costs a lot of money to be running traffic, like not directly to an opportunity, because the money opportunities are very tough niche. So when you're running traffic to those type of opportunities, kind of cost you a lot of money. And right now she let us know that she running traffic at $100 a day. That's the reason, we have to run traffic as a whole. So because if you were running traffic by yourself at $200 a day, that will for the month that will cost you a hell lot of money. So what she's doing to make it easier on us, so the whole all of us that order traffic, and she running the traffic with that same money as a whole. Let's see right now, um there's 1,000 people, 1,000 and plus people in the group, but there's only 600 that ordered the traffic packages. So within the 600, let's say each of us ordered between the 60 and 110 and 200. So she run traffic with that money, and that's the reason we get put on the rotator. So whenever somebody buy, so it could be anybody's link, because they will see the same website that everybody see. Every time they pay, they don't even know exactly who they are paid under directly until they receive their invoice. Then your information will be there. If it's you that get the commission, your information will be there, saying, okay, you're the one that got the commission. But everybody that signed up think they signed up with TVD, but they actually, let's say they sign is your link that popped up, and they sign up with you, but they think in their head they sign up with TDV. But when you get to negotiate, we explain everything how it works. It's like everybody go through the same process. You don't have to worry about anything extra. And also, depending on the package that you order, it will determine how many time that your link is in the rotator. Like I just said, if you order the $60 package, your link will be there only one time, which means, let's say there's like a $600 that you order traffic, so that means your link is in there. That means you got a one chance out of 600. I'm not trying to scare you, it's just how it is. That's the reason we recommend getting the highest package, which is the 200. Let's say you get the 110, that means your link is in the theater 2 times. And if you get the $200 package, I mean, your name is in the water 4 times. So that's what we recommend, because it's 60 days. Think about it. If you were to run traffic by yourself, it will cost you more than $200 to run traffic to your site directly for $200. And also, you need to have a business mindset and patience, because what I always tell people, I try to be upfront on everything. No sales are guaranteed, because when somebody get to your link, let's say they get to the whole website and it was your link that pop up, that person might not be a buying customer. Maybe they see their information and they feel like it's not for them. If that, let's say worst case scenario, that's what happened. Like, they're just gonna be off your website, and then the next person that click on the link gonna go to the next person, because right now, because they already went to your website and they did not purchase, so that means the next person got go to the website is gonna be somebody new, and he's gonna go to the next person in line. So you have to put in your head, it's a business, no sellers is guaranteed, that you just have to have patience, and have patience and understand, it's a business, and don't be thinking everything has to happen overnight. And also on what to expect. I try to be every upfront with everybody, because I've been getting a lot of messages uh from people asking exactly, because the people that they I guess sign up under, they see they sign up under, they did not getting any response. Nobody's giving them telling them anything, and they kind of feel frustrated, but they kind of happy, they ask me question and I don't mind answering, and kind of work with them and everything. What to expect is a little bit of wait from support to get through all the links, because it's a lot of us right now. It's like over 1,000 something people. So, and she has I think 3 to 4 assistants. So all of them trying to work through all the links, getting everybody's system working. So with all that, it's gonna be you just have to the patience. Once you send an email, don't try don't to send everything all at once. Keep sending the same email over and over again. Give them some time to get to you. They will definitely get things done. If there's no discrepancy in your link or any information that they ask you for, you send it. So you should be receiving your links or your traffic packages received in no time. What else to expect? You won't make money overnight, like I said before. Is like that's why it's called passive income. If that if you don't have no other like an opportunity or you don't have a job and you do not make this opportunity your bread and butter, and because that's not what it is, that's why it's called passive. It shouldn't be your bread and butter. It shouldn't be like the money that you rely on to pay your bills. So always have like a backup plan just in case, let's say that month you didn't make no money and that kind of taking a toll on your budget. You will be in what is relationship with like over 1K people. So it might take a little bit of time to make a sale because depending on how many times you're in the rotator and you're like it's like a ball that's rolling, you don't know how long it will take for you to make a sale. If you decide to promote it on your website, I mean, on your page, on your social media, and people are signing with you directly, I will come and doing that. But if you don't feel like doing that, you don't have to, because the, like organic traffic is just extra traffic, but it's not like mandatory for you to do. And that there's no inventory, there's nothing to ship because it's a digital product. When they sign up and they pay the 297, you get your payment. You don't have to send them anything. You don't have to ship anything to them in the mail. And what to expect, a random payment in your bank account without talking to anyone. You could be out there chilling, relaxing yourself, and then a random payment just come in, and when you will get your payment, then you'll know who that is. Most of the time, you don't even know who that is because he's just saying an email. You don't even know who it is. So just expect like random payment coming in here and there. And also, you might ask, does it work? Yes, it does work because myself and others are making money, like, with this system. So far, I signed up last month and I already made 4 sales because I'm keeping you guys updated with my progress. I signed up last month and I made 4 sales. Basically, I made my money back with profit. And there's a lot of people that's making a lot of money. And once you sign up, you get added to the group, and you'll see everybody else that's making money. We upload, uplifting each other. We congratulate. We like I got tongue tied. We uplifting each other, and we're saying congratulations to everybody. We're not jealous because we're all a team. And now also you should ask yourself, should you join the 10x system? Before you even consider joining, I want to make it clear. That's why I'm giving you a raw review and exactly what to do and what to expect before you even think about spending. If you need money like yesterday, like I mentioned before, if you don't have no backup system, you don't have no other opportunity, that's what you feel like you're gonna need to pay your bills, do not do it. Do not use your last to sign up. Do not stress yourself saying, okay, I'm hoping I'm gonna join. I'm hoping I make this. Do not join with hope. That's why it's called passive income. Passive income should not be your main income. It's just something extra on the side after you work your main income and then the random payment will come. Do not make it your main income. And if you are impatient, and you want microwave result, like you cannot wait for them to work to support to get to your email, you cannot wait for your traffic to work, you cannot wait like to get anything done. Let's say you send an email to support, you want them to answer you right away, you keep basically harassing them. That's not gonna work. So if you're that type of person, do not join because we do not allow that in our group. And people also that get jealous of other people winning, if you feel like because you're not getting results yet, you're being negative, or you're throwing some little shade on the side and everything, we pick up the shade real quick. We will kick you out real fast. We don't tolerate that in the group. So just know that. And people also, if you're the type of person that cannot follow instruction, like even though like because there's videos that you need to watch so you can be able to know how to set up your system and how to do the traffic. So if you're the type of person that feel like you shouldn't have to watch videos to get to know how to set up your system to do anything, like you want somebody to hold your hand to get everything done for you, this is not the opportunity for you. So I will advise you not to join. But if you're the type of person that's a go-getter, that's ready to get it, that don't mind investing in themselves, that want to like create an extra stream of income for themselves, by all means join, because like who doesn't want free money? Who doesn't want like extra money popping up their account every now and then, right? So, how do you get started? I will be putting the link to my website on the description once you're ready to get started. If you want to know more information about the 10x system, to go to the website. The link will be in the description. Watch the presentation. Totally, if you have to watch the presentation multiple time, watch it. Go to the sale page, understand everything that come with the system, what exactly, all the disclaimer, everything, before you decide to make an education decision if you want to sign up or not. We'll be glad to have have you in the team. And once you sign up, you keep an eye on your email so you can receive the link to sign up for your system. So, if you're ready to sign up, I'm ready to help you. Ready to help you make some extra money on the side. The link to sign up is bit.ly/ your six-figure ticket. Once you're ready to sign up, or you want to message me, if you have any more question, you can message me on Facebook. My link will be there as well. You can message me. I'm pretty much active on Facebook, and we can talk about it, see if it's the best opportunity for you. Or you can go, like there's other people that's like doing reviews. Like if you're not sure, we're basically doing the same thing, sharing reviews, sharing our thought on the system. And if you feel that's something that's really interests you, I'm here for you. Feel free to sign up with me, and I'll see you on the inside. Have a good day.